Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph named is City Life versus Village Life. Okay, let us start. There are lots of differences between city life and village life. City life is really busy. People are always doing lots of work there. You have no time to waste there. On the other hand, village life is so calm. You will find lots of people spending time here and there. There are so many modern and digital facilities available in cities, but the villages don't have these. Naturally, the villages are beautiful, especially the villages near any hill or river, but it is really hard to find some natural beauty in cities. Both places have good and bad sides. For me, city life is way better than village life. There are tons of advantages that you will get in cities. Let me share a few of them. First of all, people are really busy in the cities. They don't have time to waste. It is really good things. You have to work if you want to survive. You will find lots of jobs in cities. The communication system is really amazing. You can travel anywhere inside the city really fast with metro or bus services. This is never possible to get these experiences in the village. So I think city life is best. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.